popular subject that's on YouTube, and that's a karate spinning sidekick. Versus a taekwondo back kick.
Net te ver weg. Okay. Maar hier ben je net goed. Strek je hand naar, maar wel een beetje achteruit blijven. Zodat je geen stoot. Gewoon de. Nee, de draaitrap. Gewoon de backing doen. Hier. Ja.
So, what the differences are, which one is better, and which one should you do. And I'm going to give you guys examples as well. So let's get to it. This video is not going to take long. Okay, so the karate spinning sidekick is here, and I learned that one before the taekwondo one, because I did karate and kickboxing before I ever took taekwondo. So that's here. You spin, and you kind of stay with your head here. Now, you're here. Okay. That's a karate spinning sidekick. Or you bring it back. You know, the ones that do it pretty good, they bring it back. Now the taekwondo one, you spin and you bring your legs from down here, your butt towards the person. You stay with your entire body facing that way, like a horse. Horses go this way, so you kick back like that.
David, I said don't get behind him. Get in front of him.
It's way different because you're not really spinning.
Spinning kick.
Really spinning. You're just turning your back in and then kicking. Bah. Right, which one is better? Now, as a kick on its own, the taekwondo back kick of course is better. But it's better to do both. Okay? Here's how I do it, alright? When I spar, it's always a means to an end. I may do a lot of moves before I get there a kick in, like for example a liver shot or a knockout to the head. So what I'll do is this, I'll overspin with a karate kick on purpose. So I'll be doing this. Right? Now, you guys can feel right now how it would feel if you were blocking. You kind of have to keep your guard up there. Right? And then I do with the other side too. I'll overspin it. I'll do that a few times in the sparring. I'll keep my distance. But keep in mind, I'm not doing these kicks to get them in. I'm doing them on purpose so that they block. And I'm not even coming in an angle where I'll go through them. I'm actually stopping my kicks here somewhere, but they don't know that. They're putting their hand in front of it and they're catching the kicks here. Now, by the time I want to really pull it off, I'm already getting them used to blocking here, pa, blocking here with the overspinning. Now, back the camera up a little bit. Now when they block here with the right hand, they get used to bringing their elbows up from taking all the kicks here, and then I basically sneak in the back kick right towards the liver, right here. So you get them used to blocking here, blocking this, blocking here, blocking here, blocking here, and then all of a sudden, boom, you bring it in. Keep in mind, with the back kick, it's better to do with right. Land the right on the liver, right below the rib cage or right on the rib cage. If you aim towards the middle, you should catch it sort of here. So, it's some of my favorite kicks to pull off. Keep in mind, this advice is only for sparring or ring fighting. I would never do this in a real fight. In a real fight, you gotta pull. A real fight, you gotta pull off your best technique fast. And real fights end fast. I'm not talking about real fights here. I'm talking about martial arts. I'm talking about sparring. I'm talking about sparring, taekwondo. Kickboxing.
Heb je telefoon bij je?
MMA. All that good stuff, okay? Not really for street fighting. In street fighting, you shouldn't be fucking around or playing around. You should make your one shot or 2, 3 shots count. You know, if you didn't knock the guy out with one shot, you didn't do it right. All right, to the next video, guys. Catch you later.